Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we did a model of the 4-point spending of a of the concrete beam. Let me render the part here. You can see here we have still reinforcement in the concrete beam, but we use the additional reinforcement, and that's the mortar here, reinforced mortar. We use also, let me remove this and remove this. We use also a steel reinforcement in the mortar here, see here, and we use concrete damage plasticity for both model, concrete and the mortar, and elastic plastic model for the concrete part. Let me replace it, and now let me replace concrete and mortar. Here it is the deformation under the static analysis, the deformation and the stress which is happening both model, and then we can request ACL, see the ACL which is happening at the boundary zone and the load locations, and we can check now the compressive damage which is happened, then the tension damage, see tension head damage happen, plastic, these are the plastic hinge that you can see here, plastic again, and a stiffness degradation, and let me add all. If I click on animate, you can see here the deformation and the stiffness degradation here in these elements. Typically we used CFRP, GFRP, any composite material here to consider the as an external reinforcement for the concrete beam, but here I used the mortar, reinforced mortar as the external reinforcement for the concrete beam. You can see that here. Also, if you want to see the ACL, see here the ACL also, yield criterion. Let me make it the last one. Now let me remove here and here, see the reinforcement in the model. You can see that, and you can check anything here as the result for both parts. The other thing is the force displacement diagram. See the force displacement diagram for this beam with external reinforcement as a mortar reinforced mortar. It is about 0.3 meganewton maximum. After that we have decreasing capacity, and if we keep the displacement, it will reach zero value, and it is the maximum for this, and that's good diagram for this concrete beam, reinforced concrete beam, reinforced with reinforced mortar as an external reinforcement. It has a good paper. You can use its paper also. I will put the paper in the folder you provided here for this simulation. So if you want this tutorial, the static model of the concrete beam with mortar reinforcement, you can come to our website here, find the English tutorial here, or you can search it in the search section of the website. Then click on the title. You will have the geometry step, interaction load, and then the result as figures here. The cost for the CA, INP, English video file, and reference paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you more about the tutorial and if you need any information. Also, here we have a full package containing more than 400 tutorials. More than 400. Containing all things that you need to be master in modeling and simulation in Abaqus. Here you can read some of the main titles and some of the subtitles in the package, but we didn't consider all the titles here because 400 tutorials is a really full and the biggest package. Impact welding, biomechanics, you can find anything in this package here. So the cost for this full package, and you can't find it anywhere, is 230 euros. Each tutorial in this package also containing CA, INP, paper, step-by-step English video, codes, anything. And if you need this package, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.